everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week is Christmas week and I thought it would be full of energy and fun and so many things. However, as you can hear, I got a blocked nose. In the return, I got a husky and a nasal and a maybe sexy voice. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, but anyway, this whole week, it turned into a week of battling a cold with endless coughing and sneezing. Yeah, I don't know why, and I even not sure it's cold or flu or some virus. I don't know. But life goes on, and I still had a few moments to enjoy. Let me show you what this week looked like. Even with a cold, I couldn't miss showing our friends from Melbourne a good time. Here's a glimpse of our forest walk and a peaceful stroll along the beach. The sunshine, fresh air, and the sound of waves were extremely what I needed to recharge. Always play a big role in my life. We had a beef hotpot, which perfect comfort food when you are under the weather, and also have a lovely brunch. Even though my appetite wasn't at its best, the flavors were spot on. Christmas wouldn't be complete without some holiday vibes. Look at this stunning Christmas tree that we found in Surfer's Paradise. It's not that big as, Sydney, Melbourne, or even Brisbane City, but it's cute anyway. And the following day, we caught a gorgeous sunset at the Tambourine Mountain. And to top it all off, we ran into some kangaroos at night. I guess even kangaroos were in a festival mood. And of course, there's everyday stuff, like trips to Costco and some supermarkets. Sometimes, simple things like finding a great deal can make you just as happy. Though wallet might need its own recovery session after this shopping. So, that's my Christmas week in a nutshell. Even though being sick made things a bit challenging, spending time with friends, enjoying good food, and soaking in beautiful moments made it all worthwhile. I think sometimes it's the quite ordinary days that remind us to appreciate the little things. Now, I'd like to know, how did you spend your Christmas week? Did anything fun or special happen? Let me know in the comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now!